Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to access dark web safely on Tor browser. Tor lets you browse the internet anonymously by routing your traffic through a network of servers. It's available for Windows, Mac, Linux and Android. Firstly, go to the official website of torproject.org, then click the Windows icon to download the installer. Open the downloaded file and choose your desired installation folder. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Now, go to the installation location or use the desktop shortcut, then click Connect to establish a secure connection to the Tor network where you can access any website safely and legally. And now all you have to do is start browsing. Once connected, the Tor browser window will open. You can now browse the public web or visit .onion sites for dark web access. But avoid logging into personal accounts, never download unknown files, and use HTTPS sites for added security. And consider pairing with a VPN for maximum privacy. Just be careful browsing that side of internet because some dangerous stuff could be there. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.